Where do I hit play?
It's already recording. Okay, so the door, if you try to turn this, it just hits the strike plate right there. It doesn't actually go in. You can see the little amount of jog right there. Now, if we try to wiggle it, we can maybe get it, but it jams in. Second, notice that the actual door, even when this latch is engaged, is moving back and forth about probably a quarter of an inch. And if you look right inside of here, you're going to see a score mark. And I'm going to open the door, and you can see on the inside of the door there's a score running across there. Okay. Now, one more thing just to verify. This deadbolt is operating correctly. A little stiff right there, but it is working. It does actually go through. So we know that's not the problem. The problem is the door jam, all this connections going on here, or lack of connections. And the door, this is 2 days before the door is going to get repaired on Monday the 27th.